No matter what it is, you can always make it look beautiful, even if it is an old jar. Welcome, I'm Jeanette the Crafty Hobbit. This is the newest piece in the shop, and it is a rustic, primitive style honeybee jar vase with some vintage styled florals and a bit of shabby chic with the messy bow tassel on the side, along with some wooden beads and wrapped in jute to give it that really primitive style, that really primitive feel. The entire arrangement measures about 11 inches tall by about 8 inches wide, maybe 6 inches deep, depending on how you want to rearrange the florals that come with it here. You can set it anywhere on your mantle, on a vanity, maybe next to your front door to greet your guests. It's going to look really cute, even sitting next to a bumblebee or honeybee tier tray. You can grab it now scanning the QR code right here in the video, and I'll ship it to your doorstep. Or you can use the link in the description, the instant pay link, if you're not able to scan the QR code, or you can shop directly in my store using the product link in the video description. I hope you have an amazing finish to 2024, and we'll see you on the next one.